What's going on, guys? I'm Western Nomad. I'm hiking Colorado this summer, and you're looking at Ophir Pass. Just an amazing little small village with a mountain pass overlooking it, and yeah, this feels like Switzerland, and it looked like Switzerland. I was supposed to be on the Columbine Trail when this was shot, but didn't quite make it up over.
Well, a little change of plans. Gonna hike the Columbine Trail today, but if you look at the road up there, that's Ophir Pass. I don't really feel comfortable going up it in my truck, even though it probably could. It looks pretty gnarly, so I'm just gonna hike it. You know, look at the backdrop though, so I'm not complaining. Out of breath. I'm hiking Ophir Pass. Slight change of plans for today, but that's how life goes. Down to Ophir below me. It's a gorgeous valley. Oh, I'm dying up here. But I don't want my truck going through this. Really made it half a mile. I'm just out of breath and spent. Ooh, it's tough. Oh, get up these elevations, it's just your whole body is struggling to function. But these are pretty damn good. Dying. This wasn't my plan for today, but I tried to take a shortcut to a trailhead, and I'm like, fuck it. I'm just gonna walk the road that leads to that trailhead. I won't make it to the trailhead, but it's 20 miles. But I'm sure I'll see some good views. I'm the Western Nomad. I'm high up on Ophir Pass, deep in the San Juans. I'm gonna hike a pass that basically people with Jeeps, 4Runners, and ATVs use. This wasn't the plan for the day. I don't know if you can see this road coming up there, but it's pretty nasty, and I'm not taking my truck up there, but onwards and upwards. Well, Ophir Pass, 11,787 feet. It's a trip, man. I'm hugging directly into the sun, so I know I'm going east. Oh man. Oh fuck! These boulders, man. Well, continuing my hike on Ophir Pass here. It's really pretty. It's looking like we're doing the downhill now, which is nice. Getting up on that, I guess that was the summit, I'm not sure, but oh man, it was brutal. Check it out.
So as I made my way up and over the pass and kind of down into a little valley, the landscape started to really open up. You know, passed a bunch of Jeeps and touring companies. And, you know, I've been in Colorado for over 7 years now, and I've never been on this trail or really seen this part of Colorado. I've seen Ophir on maps, and I was really glad I kind of just ran into this by mistake, and it made for a really good day.
I was deciding if I wanted to go up this way. This is a little road off the main trail system, but looks like it's gone up instead of down, which I like. We'll go all the way down there. This will be a hell of a hike back up, but up here, looks pretty good. The Western Nomad. I'm on top of a mountain in southwest Colorado. Let's see what the day brings. Sure, getting my steps into. Well, climbing this mountain off Ophir Pass. It's kicking my butt, but the views are insane.
So just to be clear, this is usually just like, I think this is part of the alpine loop, so it's really meant for Jeeps and ATVs, but you know, I'm different, so I decided to hike it. And at this point, I had a choice of going further down into the valley or just taking one of these side trails and going further up in elevation, so I wouldn't have to go so far up if I went down to the valley.
One thing about Colorado, now to state for the lazy. Got my ass kicked. Oh shit. Good. It's all uphill. And then a steep downhill. Man. Western Nomad. Burning calories. Burning my legs. Burning my lungs. Oh. Making my way back to the truck. My butt case. Gotta go all the way up there and over the pass, down the pass, get back to the truck. Gotta make it down the pass. And just hop in the truck. I'm gonna let it go by because it's pretty nasty stuff.
You know, if you're visiting Colorado and you're not physically fit, the one thing I would recommend to get the most bang for your buck is go to southwest Colorado, rent an ATV or go on a Jeep tour, something like you're watching now, and drive through the Alpine Loop. It is considered one of the prettiest high-terrain off-roading loops actually in the world, and I've never seen anything that compares to this in the lower 48. If you have, please drop me a comment because I want to know what place you're thinking of.
I'll make my way closer to the truck. Down there a ways, a mile or two. Oh man, it's been a hard hike. It's been pretty though. Town of Ophir down there looks a little different than in the morning when I was passing by here. The mountain she goes. you outfit your truck with huge ass wheels and shocks like that, you can make it up here. Or just take a fucking dirt bike. Tell ya, whenever I see my truck after a long hike, it's the best feeling ever. Man, this is amazing country. It's rugged, it's high alpine. The vistas are amazing, just surrounded by 14ers. The Western Nomad just got finished hiking up Ophir Pass. I'm taking a cool little break here on my truck. That was a hell of a hike. Probably just went 7 miles, but felt like 12.